If you are wondering if there is a music player available on Redmi Watch 6, then the answer is yes, we do have a music player. And if you open the apps list by pressing the crown, then over here we should be able to find the music app quite easily. You can also transfer music from your phone to your watch, so then you can use your watch as the source of playlists and songs, and then you can play songs on your watch without your phone. Besides that, if you tap on these three dots in the bottom right corner, then over here we can choose the music source. By default, it is the phone is selected, so you might not be able to play your music straight away. But of course, if you transfer then the music, then you should be able to switch to watch. Of course, you can keep the music source set to phone, so then you can control music on your phone with your watch. So you can, for example, play YouTube or something, or maybe you can use Spotify, stuff like that. And then you can skip songs, you can increase and decrease the volume, you can just do whatever you want to do with the help of your watch over here with this music player. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.